OEDRO's Guardian running boards are made with heavy-duty steel tubes that are strong enough to handle all of your on- and off-roading needs. These running boards provide a secure, slip-proof, rust-resistant, and comfortable step. OEDRO running boards have 3 different layers so you're sure that it will never rust. The Shield running boards fit the following trucks: Dodge Ram, Toyota Tacoma, Chevy Silverado, and more. Installation is a snap as no drilling is required and everything you need is included in the box. We offer a limited lifetime warranty on products damaged during delivery or that have a confirmed manufacturer's defect. For more information on these running boards, visit OEDRO.com.